Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Chrome tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to turn on dark mode in Chrome. While I've already explained in another video that you can also enable it using Windows dark mode, Chrome has also its own dark mode. To do that we first need a shortcut on the desktop. So I type Google Chrome in my search bar, right click on it and select Open File Location. Here I also right click on Google Chrome and select Send to and Desktop. On the desktop I rename the file to Google Chrome Dark Mode, but this is optional. And for the last time I right click on Google Chrome again and go to Properties. In the Shortcut tab I write another command in the target line. So I go to the end, make a space and write this comment. -force -dark -mode, and I press apply and OK. Now when I open this shortcut, Google Chrome starts in dark mode. But this only works for this specific shortcut, because when I close this window and start a standard shortcut of Google Chrome, it will start in light mode. So I can switch back and forth between both modes without much settings. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.